Vogel. She started up great in the morning and everything. We're gonna head up to the shop. I gotta pay for it. I haven't been able to pay it because I'm not the baby. But gotta pay for the shop. Hopefully they're there because today is Martin Luther King Day. If so, we'll get it paid up and stuff. But I'm also gonna go and see about finding a new shop. Or a shop. Really, we're not in a shop, we're in a storage unit. And I want a shop. Something a little bigger, something that we can put a lift in. And we can get working on these projects a little better, you know? Because it's hard to do certain things right now when we're on the ground. And, you know, we got a lot of stuff. And that shop is really small that we're in now. So, yeah, let's get to the shop. Alright guys, so we're at the shop. First thing I want to do before I go do anything, this is another reason why I want to get a shop, because the lighting in here is horrible. And I've asked them about upgrading these lights in here to the LED ones, because a lot of the other units have it. But they're like, oh, well, they're not broken, we're going to do it. But, I mean, it's hard to catch right there. One, see that one right there is not working. That one works. And then the back one works, one doesn't. And over there, that one over there once now again, and then they flicker, you know. So I even said, man, I'll pay for it, you know, to get done, but they just won't do it. So lighting in here sucks. And I know you guys see it in videos and stuff where it's dark and then it gets light, and that's not good for quality and to better content and video quality and stuff. That's something we need. We need better lighting and cameras, you know, which I am saving to get a better camera. I am using a Canon right now. It's a SX700. It's an alright camera. I mean, it's better than the old camera I had that was flickering and clicking all the time during a video. So, yeah. But we are working on better stuff. First thing first, I want to get something done on the Accord. The car was on the ground and it's pretty much almost this height. So I'm going to go ahead and, while I have it up now, off the ground, snag the wheels off at the front and go ahead and lower the front end as pretty much low as I can get it with these coils, because I don't think these coils are going to go that low. But as you see, there's a lot of room here, but I don't know how much room is down in here, you know. I did max out the rears. I don't know how low they will go, but we're going to go as low as functionally possible, where, you know, it doesn't look slammed, but it's still drivable, you know. So, yeah, I'm going to go ahead and loosen this. Oh, yeah, ready there. And then we'll go ahead and spin this sleeve down and see how low we can get the front. Alright, so I pretty much maxed this side out over here, and then I twisted it out 2 complete turns. So I started like at one spot, came all around 1, then back around 2. So it's good. Hopefully it's low, you know what I mean, and that's what we want. I'm gonna notice this ball joint up here is coming out, but we ain't gotta worry about that because we have upper control arms, camber arms, you know. So we just ain't addressing that yet, because I want to do that at the same time as doing the lower ball joint too, you know, to make that a whole thing. But right now we want to get this car on the ground. So let's measure here, because these are tightened down. I'll measure the gap between this and go ahead and match it with the other side. Alright, so lay the front back down. For some reason this gap doesn't look any different here, you know. And like I said, the coils are pretty much maxed out up front. The jack's not on it at all. It has to be because the back is still up so high. I don't know, because the front end should still be down, you know. But I don't know. I mean, that's crazy, you know. Hopefully we'll see, like, when I get the other side put on and put it on the ground, because it's got to be lower than that. I mean, I don't see why I wouldn't, you know. But this looks low on this side. For some reason, this side with the fender on it looks higher, you know. But I mean, even the clearance from like right here to here, you know, it's got plenty of room. When before it was like I was able to tuck it with my true hearts, you know. So I don't know. Gonna keep messing with it and then update as we go. You know how it is. All right, ladies and gentlemen. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna start working on the exhaust for this. So I'm gonna go ahead and start on a temporary exhaust. All right, not permanent, just temporary. Pretty much gonna come down as tight as I can get it, down through here, and then out this way for right now. That's just for now. So when we're starting it, driving it, getting it tuned, whatever, it's not blowing everything on the alternator, melting wires and stuff like that. So I'm gonna order another flange so we can have it. But yeah, this is off the Tahoe. What I'm gonna do is cut here, because this here is the 3-inch. It matches perfectly up with that flange in there. So I'll get this put on to that flange, get it tacked on, and then I got all that pipe right there that we can build off of to get as far as possible, or whatever we can with that. So let's go ahead and get this cut off first. Alright, so I got this on and tacked on there. So now it's going to be the hard part, building it off of this to the rest of the way. So yeah, I don't know, like I said, if I want to come out here, because I really don't. What I might try and do is build it going down to the ground, like straight this way, and then curve over and then back down that way. So we can do full exhaust, because I would love to be on full exhaust with this, and I do a hood exit. So let me try and cut up some piping and see what I can figure out and get it tacked up and everything, and I'll update you guys with the progress as we go. Alright guys, so I'm failing at this miserably. I've been at this cutting and grinding and everything for, I don't know, an hour or so. And what I'm trying to get done is have it go like this from underneath here. It's just hard to hold and record at the same time. But something like that, you know, where it comes all the way down. So I'm getting there. It's just, whoo, a lot of cutting and grinding going down. So once I get this part up here worked out, I can work out down here where it's hitting right there. So yeah, like I said, I've been at this for quite some time trying to get that angle right there. So I'm just gonna keep going at it and update you guys as much as I can. All right, so we're starting to get a little somewhere, starting to get that little down angle. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this fully welded up here, and then progress with what I need to. So just welding this here and get this more, and then underneath of it. All right, guys, so got that welded up here some. I know it doesn't look all great right now, but I'm gonna go over it with the flap disc and everything, and then nice beat it, and then clean it up, paint it, whatever I need to do. Even if I don't do any of that, don't worry, it's gonna be all wrapped, majority of it, for heat, so you won't really see it. But I ran out of wire, so I wasn't able to weld here and some on the bottom, but this is fully welded, and this one right here is pretty much all fully welded. And then it'll come down to here. It just barely clears over here. If I would have turned it just a little bit more, I would have cleared here, but it's hitting here, which we're gonna address. And this, I can just grind away some of it. You know, I'm not too worried about this here. You know, I can literally just cut that section out, like notch it, you know. I don't know if you can see down there or not. But right there. So, yeah. And realistically, I could probably notch this here too, but I don't want to. So, sucks I ain't got no more welding or wire. I mean, I got a big spool, but I guess that big spool won't work on it because this here is smaller. But I thought it came with an adapter piece. I'm gonna see if I can find it. If so, then I can continue. And then here's with the alternator on the car. It looks close, but it's not even touching. This is all the way down. So when it's connected, it'll be higher too, like this, with the tension on it. So we have plenty of clearance with the alternator on as well. The only thing it's touching is this bracket here, you know. So we'll have to figure that out. But I mean, I was gonna probably cut it here, or cut it down here somewhere, you know, right here. We'll cut it here at an angle, and then bring it down, and then back over and shoot it that way and out. So yeah, but if that thing I have that for the welder to run the bigger spool on it is here, it's gonna be in that box. I really don't want to set these heads down on the ground or anything, because everything's like nice and put together in order, you know, like literally the rockers and the push rods, all that's in the heads, stuff like that. So I think this will be a good stopping point for this video. I know not a lot of progress, but I mean, a lot got done, but not a lot got shown, I guess. But I gotta get home, you know, my girl's at home with the baby and stuff. She went out with her mom and everything, so it gave me some time to come up here and mess with this for a little bit, you know. But yeah, all the bolts fit completely, so we're good there. And we'll try to get discontinued and finished. But hey, any progress is progress. So we made a step forward. We got more of an exhaust than we did earlier today. So it's progress. We're moving forward. The Volvo's running. We got it fixed. Progress. We're making things happen. So if you want to see things happen, the only way to see that happening is subscribing to the channel, hitting the post notification button, and liking this video. That's how things happen. Because you hit that like button, you know, makes me be able to do things because you like what I'm doing. You hit the subscribe button, you know, you get to see what happens when we do things. Hit the post notification, you get notified when things are happening. See? So it all just goes together, guys. So just smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit the post notification button, and share these videos. That'd be dope. That'd be awesome. Really appreciate it. But yeah, there it is. We got an exhaust. I put the battery in here that I had laying around, the old battery from this, but it's completely dead. I was gonna try and start it for the camera and see how it sounds with this like that, and actually get to rev it up a little bit and not worry about melting the alternator stuff. But that battery's completely. So yeah, I hope you guys liked the video and the progress we got done on the Accord today. And we're gonna keep going. You know, tomorrow we'll try and hit up a junkyard and see about getting the bolt for that rear coilover, so we can get that last coilover put in, and some more stuff, some hardware, things that I need for the Accord, a fender, stuff like that, you know. And then I gotta get more paint. Let me know in the comments, guys. I was really thinking of changing the color of the car, but I don't know. Like, I like the red on it. I think it looks bad AF, you know, bad AF. So let me know in the comments what you guys think of that. And if you do want me to change the color, what color would you all paint it? You know, because I'm not changing the paint theme of the black and, I mean the red and white bay, none of that. So let me know in the comments. But I'm ending this one here, guys. Thank you for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one. Peace.